Hello all, welcome to Study with you Mahi. In this video we are going to discuss about the scheme Mana Ooru Mana Badi. As one of our subscribers have suggested me to do the video on government schemes of Telangana. So let's get into our video. Mana Ooru Mana Badi. This is a state government's flagship initiative. Flagship initiatives are those schemes which address the major concerns of nation or state like health, education, infrastructure, etc. Mana Ooru Mana Badi scheme is also known as Mana Basti Mana Badi. This was launched on 8th March in 2022 at Vanaparthi district of Telangana state. Coming to the budget allocation for the Mana Ooru Mana Badi scheme in 2022-23 is 7.289 crores. What? 7.289 crores. And this program will be implemented in 3 phases. And in the first phase, 9,123 schools will be undertaken, and for this 3,497 crore have been allocated. Under this program, 26,065 government schools and local body schools will be undertaken, and from this scheme 19.84 lakh students are covered, and in the first phase 14.72 lakh students were covered according to the socio-economic outlook of Telangana. And these are the key components which are to be covered under the Mana Ooru Mana Badi scheme. Under Mana Ooru Mana Badi there are 12 components. They are implementation of digital education, next new classroom in place of dilapidated rooms and the green chalkboard, furniture to students and the staff, painting of entire schools and the constructing the compound walls around the school, kitchen sheds, dining halls in the high school. Note here, not the primary school, only in high school they will provide dining halls, and the drinking water supply, toilets with running water, electrification and other major minor repairs. And I'll repeat them again. Implementation of digital education. We all know that in the private schools there will be digital boards. So the government of Telangana have also thought to provide digital classrooms for the students of government schools, and the new classrooms in the place of dilapidated rooms, green chalkboard, furniture to students and the staff, required furniture to the students and the staff, painting of entire school to attract the students and the parents to join in the government schools, and the compound walls around the school, kitchen sheds, dining halls in high school, drinking water supply, toilets with running water, electrification and major minor repairs. These are all the 12 components which are to be covered under Mana Ooru Mana Badi. Next, responsible authorities which will undertake the scheme Mana Ooru Mana Badi are District Collector. District Collector has been entrusted with the responsibility sanctioning the works in the select schools. And the Finance Department will oversee the fund allocation and release of funds. And next, IT Department will provide technical support for the digital classrooms. And the School Management Committee will see the execution of works in the respective schools. There will be a separate school management committee for all the schools to oversee the execution of works. That's it for this video. I hope I have covered all the productive points which are required for our exam. Please do subscribe Study with you Mahi for more videos related to Tspsc exams like this. And if you have found any useful things in this video, please do share with others also. It might useful for them also. Thank you.